What if your finances finally felt organized instead of overwhelming? Most people get this wrong. But here's why Unity Finance Hub is gaining attention in 2026. Unity Finance Hub is a financial dashboard designed to bring all your accounts into one place. Instead of replacing your bank, it connects to existing accounts and gives you a unified view of your financial life. After connecting accounts, Unity analyzes spending, income, debts, and savings goals. You won't believe how much clarity comes from seeing everything in one dashboard instead of scattered across apps. One of Unity's strongest features is goal mapping. Whether you're paying down debt or building an emergency fund, the platform breaks goals into manageable steps. Progress updates keep users motivated without feeling pressure. Unity also offers personalized insights. If spending spikes or income drops, the system adjusts recommendations automatically. This adaptability makes it especially useful during uncertain financial periods. The platform does not move money directly. It focuses on guidance and insight rather than automation. Some users may prefer more hands-off tools, but others appreciate staying in control. In conclusion, Unity Finance Hub in 2026 is still worth it for users who want visibility and direction. If you're tired of guessing where your money goes, this tool brings clarity. Subscribe for more practical financial guidance.